If you want to enable or disable remote management in your Samsung Frame TV, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, when you are here, we have to go for the support and pick remote management. Click OK to enable or disable. If you are enable this option for the first time, we have to view the terms. We have to accept this stuff. Click close. Right now we are connecting to the network server. We have to wait.
1, 2, 4, 9.
Okay, let me just volume down. And as you can see, we have here this code. It's 12494800. So you have to simply give this code to the service person, and after that, when this guy input this code to his device, you will be able to connect wireless. And that's it. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.